guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be playing Ultimate Wolf Simulator again, and I had a pup, and now he's grown up a bit. So should be a very fun time. And so let's just go out into the wild and explore, shall we? I'm gonna try to do a sneak attack on a fish. I couldn't do that before. Let's see. Oh, fish. Oh, never mind. Oh yeah, sneak attack, succeed. Okay. So, as a pup, I caught my first fish. Wonderful. All right. Now I'm going to try to find higher level wolves, and today, I just dropped my fish. I'm probably not going to finish the quest today, but I'm going to be trying to get. Oh God, that scared me so bad. I'm going to be trying to get. Stop that scaring me half to death. I'm going to be trying to get. Don't eat my food. I need to level up. I'm going to be trying to get to level 25. Because I want to, and I can add another member to my pack. Oh, I can carry a lamb in my mouth. What do I spot? Will you let me level up? Let's go kill this raccoon I see over there. Oh, never mind. I do not see that raccoon anymore. But I just spotted more wolves. Nope, he's a level 13. Come on, guys. Follow me. He's a level 13. We do not need him. Alright, I'm going to try to find a higher level wolf. I believe I saw a black one, but I'm not sure where he is now. Oh, there's one. Oh, level 17. Don't mind if I do. Wait. I want to breed. No! I just lost my mate. That's not good. Wait, but there are wolves over here. That's good. No, you're still level 12 if I don't need you. You can get away from my face. I don't need you anymore. I don't need you. All I need is a mate. I'll be back when I have a mate.
It's a book about fathers and sons.
Alright, hey guys, what's going on? I'm back. And today we are playing
So if I was a boy, I could be on it? Yes.
Today we are going to be playing Ultimate. Oh my God.
So you're getting ready for your school presentation.
I'm so
Susan B.
stupid.
Anthony costume's looking great.
Susan B. Anthony wouldn't care.
Okay guys, so we're back. I thought I was starting a new video while I'm so stupid. I was not. No, but so as you see, I have a different mate and a different pup. See, my pup is grown up now because I grew him up, but he was one of those werewolves. All right, so let's go try to grow. Or should I let it be?
Down to the work ranch.
Let's sleep
Less like Annie,
first.
get your gun, and more like Annie, get your life together.
It was definitely a wake-up call.
Oh, if you're heading out that way, can you take
Wait,
us
why
outside
aren't you
to
guys
the sun
sleeping?
and get a weathered look? It's that kind of attention to detail that gets you an invite to the teacher's lounge for
I'm
coffee,
snoring.
cake, and inappropriate gossip about other students. Hey, Avery. I'm all set to work on our presentation, and I've got wigs, and they were free. They look free, and they smell like the harbor.
So, I'm going to
How'd it go with
quickly...
Wes? Was it hard? Did he understand? Should I call him now to tell him I'll go out with him, or wait till tomorrow? Treat him like a person or like a lost and found?
Wait.
I actually haven't. What's the whole? Well, I just wanted to enjoy the fact that I was out for a couple of hours. But I'll talk to him. I promise.
Hey, can I ask you for some advice? Great job, listening. You. Me? You want to ask me for advice? So can I ask you for some advice? I don't know. You've never done it before. You should go to your dad.
So, guys, this was just
Not proto-emotional.
one episode. I am on level 16, and so
Can't go to dad this time
I will
because it's about
continue
him. Well, I take
this.
some of the
I will
weight off my
continue
sails.
next episode, being trying to get to level 25, and then I will make sure I get to level 25 in the next episode. So yeah, guys.
Look, I really don't want to hurt Dad's feelings, but I don't want to be on the
So
cover of his book. This will be the most
yeah, guys,
humiliating
this is
thing
pretty
that's ever
much
happened to me.
all gonna be it for
First
today.
instinct is just to tell you to go talk to him.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment,
When I'm a grandma, your children will
or at
do
least
well in
subscribe.
bonds.
And see if you can kill this guy. Okay, now he's actually coming. Run.
Here's my idea for
Let me just be.
I'll be Susan B. Anthony. Wait, if you have this all figured out already, then why bring these wigs? I know, it didn't make sense to me either. Let's brainstorm ideas together. Maybe we can get two Susan followers who will show you how she devoted her life to giving women hope. Okay. Or I could be Susan B. Anthony.
Oh, I almost killed him. Almost. Alright, guys, so that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching. And hang on, I will be playing Animal Jam too, and I will be playing Ultimate Sock Simulator too. I just got that. I did not play that yet. So, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. Okay, bye.